Kung ako tatanungin nyo, I could compare a church in a redwood forest. Ang isang redwood tree would grow up to 300 feet. But imagine, ang kailangan niya lang root system, ang kanilang roots will only go down around 6 to 12 feet. So redwood tree, ganito po sila, no? It will grow 300 feet high, 6 feet to 12 deep lang ang kanyang roots because nasusustain siya nung 2 trees sa kanya. Right? Naka-intertwined ang kanyang roots. So yung strength niya have been magnified because of the 2 redwood trees. At ito pa ang na-found out nila according sa isang journal. Some of the trees are dead. But they are still standing. Bakit? Because habang sila ay, the redwood tree is dying, still, the 2 redwood trees would not give up on that redwood tree. This is the picture of the church sa kung saan, yes, meron ka mararanasang problema sa buhay mo. There will be rains, there will be storms in your life. The more na dapat nakalink ka sa isang kapatid mo sa pananampalataya dahil hindi mo yan kakayanin mag-isa, but with the support of another redwood tree, a support of another cell group, a support of another churchmate, you could be strong and you could withstand the winds of life.